Topic 5. Compare how Davidson and Penn depict their protagonists as not being in conflict with the worlds, not just being in conflict with the worlds they inhabit, but also with themselves. Compare how Davidson and Penn depict. What does that mean, gentlemen? It means that it's a structural question. That's a shame. Conflict with the worlds they inhabit and themselves. Right. Well, let's talk about the content, and we'll talk about the structural aspect to it. So, how are they in conflict with the worlds they inhabit? Well, they're in conflict with relationships, society, with themselves, with their own sense of courage, right? With their their own sense of strength, and perhaps even their own identity. Right? Okay. So, relationships. The rejection of relationships. Okay. Yet the bonding to particular people for particular reasons. We can think about topic 1 when we think about that. Society. We've talked about this a few times already in regards to like a consumerist society, a society that traps you into conformity. Yeah? Okay, but let's think about courage. Alright, conviction. Yeah, and there's sanity. Yes. There, so the roles that they have to play in society, especially in regards to conformity, and those that are imposed upon them. I want to rush through this because, again, we've talked about this a fair bit. Again, whether in regards to courage, yes, but also the privilege. The feeling strong. Okay, so all this to be fairly understandable to you. Let's think about how they go about depicting the protagonists as being in conflict with the worlds they inhabit and also themselves. So, there is activism. All right. Davidson writes essays, doesn't she? All right. McCandless, quotes, and he, shows scenes of poverty. Yeah. There's that scene where he's walking through LA, and there's all the poor people on the streets, and he's then he sees himself, in that rich society, right? And this is whether, this is connected to that privilege, isn't it, right? there's this inequity in the society that's disruptive, right? How about their sanity, right? Davidson when she's coming out of the desert, discusses in regards to her dehydration. But also her loneliness. Is he there? Is he there? He's got to be there. Is he there? So this kind of sanity. She dances. All the muck out. When Diggity dies. This kind of thing. So, but. When we also think about, McCandless, I mean, he's shown to be talking to himself. Yeah, it's possible that, even when he breaks the fourth wall, this might be a sign that his sanity is breaking down. That he's starting to, talk to, imaginary audience when he does that by breaking the fourth wall. Yeah. So the isolation. The long establishing shots. Yeah. The descriptions of the desert. Yeah. The close-ups of teary eyes, it's these kind of things. So again, I want you to concentrate on this one. This is a structural question. Think about what did Penn and Davidson do. Don't think too much about this. This is to understand, the topic, right, of worlds they inhabit in themselves. But this is what they actually did to make this true. Okay, so you'll need to put that together as a cogent response. I'll see you in the next video.